Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the accessory is powered and discoverable. Once done, open your device's Bluetooth settings or quick panel so you can see paired and available devices. This is where you control audio routing. If the accessory isn't listed, pair it now by selecting its name and confirming the code or prompt. Make sure to stay nearby and avoid interference, so pairing completes cleanly before moving to audio selection. Now focus on selecting the Bluetooth device for sound. In many apps you'll see a speaker or output picker. Use that first to choose the accessory. If the app lacks one, return to System Sound or Bluetooth settings and explicitly set the paired device as the output. Make sure to adjust both the phone's and accessories volume because mismatched levels cause low volume. Once the output is chosen, confirm media and call routing settings if you want one device for music and another for calls. Finish by testing with music and a quick call to verify the chosen Bluetooth output, noticing any lag or dropouts. If sound doesn't switch or is poor, first toggle Bluetooth off and on. If that fails, forget the accessory and repair it, then restart both devices to clear transient issues. Make sure firmware and OS are up to date, and check advanced settings like codecs or multi-point connections because they affect quality. One key tip: forgetting and repairing solves most stubborn connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.